Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share responses on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create an Instagram story with question sticker. I'm going to go to the Instagram application and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on add story right here, and for example, I'm just going to post an image from my gallery. I'm gonna go with this one guys, and then I'm going to add sticker to this Instagram story, the question sticker, this one guys. I'm going to select question so my follower can send me a question and I'm going to respond it, and then I'm going to share the responses on my Instagram story. Okay, I'm just going to click on done and I'm going to share the story to my Instagram account. But before it, you can edit the story. You can customize it as you like. And I'm going to click on your story. Okay, and I'm going to send the question with my another Instagram account. But wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, now it's done. And I'm going to open my another Instagram account. Wait. Okay, the story will appear right here. And then I'm going to send a response. I'm going to ask, how are you? Alright, and I'm going to send it. Okay, now the response has been sent, and I'm going to go back to my first Instagram account and I'm going to respond it. Okay, you will get the response on your notification right here. As you can see, this account responded to my question, and then I'm going to open it, and here you will be able to share the response. You just need to click on the response like this, and if you want to share it, you can simply click on share response, or you will be able to delete it as well by clicking on this option. And since we want to share the response, we just need to click on share response. You can upload photo from your device. It's up to you. Okay, I'm just going to I'm just going to respond it with this image, and then I'm going to click on your story. Okay, now the response has been shared to my Instagram story. Wait guys, this one. Okay guys, and that's all the way to share responses on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.